Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.
Welcome. This is the micro project under the subject of Electronic Engineering Material with subject code 22217. We have completed our project under the guidance of Professor Poonam Badade ma'am. The group members are Chauhan Siddhartha Naresh. The title of project is Photovoltaic Cells. We will see what is photovoltaic cells, physics of photovoltaic cells, PV technologies and advancement, economic aspects, Indian scenarios and world scenarios, future prospects and efficiencies. First of all, we will see what is PV cells. Photovoltaic cells is an electronic device which converts solar energy into electrical energy. It is a form of photoelectrical cell defined as a device whose electrical characteristics such as current, voltage or resistance vary when exposed to light. Individual solar cell devices are often the electrical building blocks of photovoltaic modules, known colloquially as solar panel. The common single junction silicon solar cell can produce a maximum open circuit voltage of approximately 0.5 to 0.6 volts. The operation of photovoltaic cells requires three basic attributes: the observation of light generating either electron-hole pair of excitrons, the separation of charge carrier of opposite types, the separate excitation of those carriers to an external circuits. This is the diagram showing the working of photovoltaic cell. Let us see. The solar cells works in several steps. First, the photon in sunlight hits the solar panel and are absorbed by semiconducting materials such as doped silicon. Then secondly, electrons are excited from their current molecular or atomic orbital. Once excited, an electron can either dissipate the energy as a heat and returns to its orbital, or travel through the cell until it reaches an electrode. Current flows through the material to cancel the potential and this electricity is captured. The chemical bonds of the material are vital for this process to work, and usually silicon is used in two layers, one layer being doped with boron and other with phosphorus. These layers have different chemical electric charges and subsequently both drives and direct the current of electrons. An array of solar cell converts solar energy into the usable amount of DC current, that is direct current. An inverter can convert the power to alternating current, that is AC current. This diagram shows the system where photovoltaic cells can be used. Now let us see the classification of PV technologies. The PV technologies are classified into two main parts. First is silicon crystal technology and second is monocrystal PV cells or multicrystalline PV cells. And in thin film technology, there is again two sub classification, that is amorphous silicon PV cells and second one is polycrystalline PV cells. Now first of all we will see silicon crystalline technologies. In this, it is very stable with module efficiencies to 10% to 20%. Nowadays it covers to 80% to 85% of PV market. The monocrystalline PV cells, it is formed by single crystalline of Si, that is silicon, and its operating efficiency is up to 15%. Whereas in multi-crystalline PV cells, it is formed by cast in ingot of melted and recrystalline silicon. Its cell efficiency is 12%. Now we will see thin film technology. Silicon deposited in a continuous on a base material such as glass, metal or polymer. Thin film crystalline solar cells of layer about 10 micrometer thick as compared with 200 to 300 micrometer layers from crystalline silicon cells. Now its advantage is low cost substrate and fabrication process, but its disadvantage is that not very stable. In that polycrystalline PV cells are cadmium telluride is the main element used in polycrystalline cells. Unlike most other, the material CDTE exhibits direct band gap of 1.4 eV and high absorption coefficients. Its advantage is 6 to 9% module efficiency and 16% laboratory efficiency, and its disadvantage is immature manufacturing process. This is the graph showing the semiconductor material efficiencies, where there are different materials such as GE, AS and others. Now this is the emerging technologies in PV cells. The described new realms or photovoltaic technologies are: electrochemical solar cells have their active components in liquid phase. Then dye sanitizers are used to absorb light and create electron-hole pair in nanocrystalline titanium dioxide semiconductor layer, and cell efficiency is 7%. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.